Good evening, everyone. Welcome you all to the Tadvidya Sambhasha Parishad. Myself, Dr. Pawan Kulkarni, Assistant Professor, BVSR in Medical College and Hospital, Bagalkot, in front of you to present the continued part of the Parada Prakarana. In the last session, we have elaborately discussed regarding the different types of Parada doshas, the Naisargika, Yogika, and Kanchika doshas. What are the Vishavanya Mala doshas? What are the Nagavanga? Those are known as Yogika doshas. And what are the Sapta Kanchugas, which are the Auparika doshas? Parpati, Patini, Vedi. So, the next all. So, we have discussed regarding that. In this session, exclusively, we'll be discussing regarding the Shodhana pertaining to all the different sorts of the doshas. So Shodhanam, already you know regarding the Shodhanam, Tadeva Shodhanam Karmam Dravya Dosha Nivaranam. So to make a particular Dravya free from the blemishes, and the procedure adopted is known as Shodhana. When you screen the Rasagranthas exclusively, you can find the different definitions for the Shodhana. Uddishtair Aushadai Sartham Kriyate Peshanadikam Malavichitayetu Shodhanam Tad Iha Uchyate. So, n number of the different sort of the definitions you get pertaining to Shodhana. So, in this particular session, we are going to discuss regarding the different types of Shodhana and what are the procedures. So, what are the outcomes of that, and everything we are going to discuss in this present session. So, welcome you all for this. So, as you screen various Samhitas or Rasagranthas, you can find the Parada Shodhana in these particular chapters. So, already I have said regarding the chapters in the Rasagranthas or the concepts in the Rasagranthas are available in a scattered form. But when you are finding it in a chapter form, you can find those references in particular chapters. Like in Ayurveda Prakash, in the first chapter, Acharya has explained regarding the Rasa Shodhana. Rasindra Sara Sangraha, first chapter, the Rasaratna Samuchaya, the 11th chapter, and Rasa Tarangini. In the 5th chapter, Acharya have exclusively explained regarding this Parada Shodhana. So, coming to the Shodhana, what is the definition of Shodhana? Already I have said regarding this. Uddishtair Aushadai Sartham Kriyate Peshanadikam Malavichitayettu Shodhanam Tadhe Uchate. He says, Shodhana is the procedure wherein we are going to do Malavichedana. We are going to separate the Mala from the original Dravyas by the process of Peshanadikam. Peshana, Prakshalana, then Svedana, etc. The different procedures are adopted to remove the blemishes from the Parada, which is known as the Shodhana here. So again, a definition from Rasamitra, Nirjishtair Aushadai Sardam, Peshanam Svedanadikam, Dushta Dosha Vinashaya Shodhanam Parikirtitam. Again, it is a modified version of the previous shloka, where it says Dushta Dosha Vinashaya, to remove the blemishes which are harmful for the body. Dushta Dosha Vinashaya Shodhanam Parikirtitam. How? Peshanam Svedanadikam, where he explains Peshana and Svedana, Adhika, etc. The different procedures which we are following or adopting to remove the Dushta Doshas from the particular Dravya is known as Shodhana. So, hope you have understood what is Shodhana is now. So, why you require Shodhana? So, what happens if you are consuming the Parada or the Dosha Yukta Parada? So, very beautiful quotations has been given by Rasa Sanketa Kalikakara, where he says, Rasasya Vikruto Satyam, Murcha Hika Jora Arati, Kasa Shvaso Brahmo Moho, Daha Kampascha Jayate. When you are consuming the Dosha Yukta Parada, when you are consuming the Parada or the mercury, which is imbibed with the doshas or impurities, it causes murcha. It causes murcha, hika. Murcha is the delusion, hika, hiccups, jora. Jora is the fever or raised body temperature, arati. Again, it causes a nausea or you feel like a discomfort, arati. Kasaha. So, cough reflexes, shwasaha, difficulty in breathing, brahmaha, giddiness, moha, again delusion, daha, so burning sensation all over the body, kampaha, tremors. If you are consuming the dosha yukta parada, you can suffer with these different disorders, he says. So again, different shloka from Nigantu Ratnakara. He says, Doshahino yada sutastada mrityujarapaha sakshat amrutam sheshaha doshayukto raso vishaham tasmat dosha vishuddhartam rasa shuddhir vidiyate. He says, when your parada is devoid of the doshas, sutastada mrityujarapaha, again it causes or it will give you more benefit when your parada is devoid of all the impurities. It will win over the mrityu and jara. It will have, and then sakshat amrutam asheshaha. So parada itself is a nectar, but when it is devoid of all the doshas, he says. Tasmat dosha vishuddhyartam rasa visham. So to remove this blemishes, you have to go for the rasa shodhana. So very beautiful quotation explained by Nigantu Ratnakara. So where he says Murcha, Hika, Jwara, Arati, Kasa, Shwasa, Brahma, Moha, Kampa and Mrityu. These are the Lakshanas after consuming the Ashuddha Parada explained by Rasa Sanketa Kalika. And in Yoga Ratnakara, Parada Vidya, he says Kushta, Krimi, Agnimandya, Arochaka, Chardi, Jadya, Daha and Marana. So these are some of the Lakshanas which are seen when you are consuming Ashuddha Parada. So this is why you have to undergo the Shodhana to remove the blemishes from the Parada and to provide it or to bestow it the good qualities to cure the diseases. So objectives of Shodhana, elimination of the harmful materials or the matter from the drug. So Dravya Dosha Nivaranam, first objective. Then modification of the undesirable physical properties of a drug. So it is overall of the Shodhana, not only Parada Shodhana. Example of the Hingu, Ferula Narthex. It is having Ugragandha. You are doing Grita Varjana and it gets rid of the Ugragandha. So, modification of undesirable physical properties of a drug. So, again, example is your the Chanchalata dosha or Kanchuka doshas. You can see a sort of the covering over the Parada and you are doing the Parada Shodhana to remove these Kanchuka doshas. So, this is what the modification of undesirable physical property is. And conversion of some of the characteristics of the drugs to the different stages. Again, so example is you are doing the Hingula. You are taking Hingula and you are giving Bhavana with the Ardraka Sarasa or the Nimbu Sarasa. The main motto behind that is it will, this Amla Rasa will do Agni Deepana and it will help for the better assimilation of the Parada inside the body. Ardraka is also Agni Deepana and Amapachana. So again, you are converting some of the characteristics of the drugs to the different stages. Again, the enhancement of the therapeutic action. So Doshahina Parada, it becomes Amrutopama, he says. It becomes as good as the nectar. So enhancement of the therapeutic action. These are some of the objectives of the Shodhana. So you may ask me, sir, what is the pramana or what is the quantity of the parada to be taken for shodhana or for the samskaras? So again, when you are screening the different classics, you get the reference of shodhana and samskara, wherein Acharya they just reach to the conclusion that shodhana and samskara are the same. So samskaras are adopted for the shodhana purpose itself. So Swedanam, Mardhanam, Cheva, Morchanam, Uttapanam, Tata. So you know regarding this. So this samskaras we will be discussing in the subject proper when I am dealing with the samskaras. So where Acharya explains. So these all samskaras are the Ashta samskaras related to the Chikitsavada or the therapeutic procedures, and the Ashtadasha samskaras, the later 10, are meant with the Lohavada or the Dehavada. So Acharya reached to the conclusions that both are same, but we are going to discuss Shodhana as a different entity and Samskara as a different entity in this present presentation. So where he says the Rasa Parimanam or the quantity of the Parada should be taken for the Shodhana, where he says Palanam Shatakam Graiham Tadardhamapi va Palanam Dashakam Vapi Panchakam va Palonmitam Palanyuna na Sangrahya Samskararte Raso Udai बहुप्रयास साध्यत्वात् लाभाभावच्च निश्चितम्. So where he says labha bhavascha nishitam, we are going to discuss later on. First he says palanam shatakam. So for purification, for the shodhana, you should take 100 pala of parada. If not, tadardhamapi, either 50 pala of parada or tadardhamapi va. Again, either you can take 25 pala or else palanam dashakam. Either you can take 10 pala of parada. Panchakam va palonmitam. Either you can take 5 pala or 1 pala. Where he says फलानि नून्योः न संग्राह्यः संस्कारार्थो रसोपदैः. You can't take the parada quantity less than 1 pala for shodhana or for the samskara. Why? He says bahu prayasa sadhyatvat labha bhavascha nishchitam. So because the efforts which are required to undergo the purification or the samskaras is equal if you take either 1 pala or 100 pala. So therefore, Buddhiman Rasavaidya, the talent Rasavaidya, should go for the purification at the larger scale by for the commercial results. Sadhyatvat labha bhavascha nishitam, for uttama labha or to get a good commercial value out of it. Rasavaidya should undergo shodhana or samskara by using huge amount of parada, he says. Again, a different shloka or the reference you get in Rasaratna Samuchaya, where he says, this particular shloka is from Rasatarangini, and what I am reading now is from the Rasaratna Samuchaya, where he says, Dve sahasre palanam tu sahasram shatameva cha ashtavinchat palanyeva dasha panchameva va palanardheva kartavyam samskara sutakasya cha. Where he explains in the 11th chapter, for the purpose of shodhana or samskara, you can take 2000 pala, Dve sahasre palanam. You can take 2000 pala of the parada. If not, you can take 1000 pala. If not, you can take 100 pala. Where he says Ashtavimshat, either you take 28 pala of parada. If not, Dasha Panchakam, either you can take 10 pala of parada or 5 pala of parada. Then he says 1 pala or Ardha pala, 48 grams or 24 grams of the parada can be taken. Where he says Palardha naiva kartavyaha samskara sotakasya ja. One should not take parada less than 24 grams for the samskara or for shodhana artha. So the quantity should be above 1 pala itself or above ardha pala. So when you check out the classics, you can get a broad definition or the broad description regarding this shodhana. So sum up of all the things, you can again bifurcate the shodhana into two forms. One is samanya shodhana and the vishesha shodhana. Where the Rasaraja Sundara Dattaram Chaube Acharya, he says, Shuddhi Riti Sacha Dvividha Prokta Uktam Hi Vyadho Rasayane Chaiva Dvividha Sa Parikirta Ya Shuddhi Kadita Vyado Sa Nishta Hi Rasayane Tu Ya Shuddhi Sa Vyadhir Vapi Kirtitaha. Where he says there are two types of the Shodhana. Vyadho Rasayane Chaiva. One is for Vyadhi Haranartha and second is for Rasayanartha. So Samanya Shodhana is done for Vyadhi Haranartha and Vishesha Shodhana is to imbibe the Rasayana qualities inside the Parada. Ya Shuddhi Kadita Vyadho Sa Nishtahi. The first one is the Samanya Shodhana, which is meant for the Vyadhi Haranartha, and second one is the Vishesha Shodhana, which is meant for the Rasayanartha. Where the last line is very important, where it says Rasayane tu Ya Shuddhi Sa Vyadhi Vapi Kirtitaha. When you are doing the Vishesha Shodhana, then it is meant for both, that is Vyadhi Haranartha also and for Rasayana purpose also. So it is better to undergo both the Shodhanas. So the physical blemishes or the chemical blemishes can be removed by the Samanya Shodhana, and the Vishesha Shodhana removes the Vishesha Mala from the Parada, like Chanchalata dosha, then Chapalyata dosha, then you have Asayagni dosha. So Vishavani Mala, these are the sort of the Samanya things which has to be removed by the Samanya Shodhana itself. And Vishesh Shodhana, you have the Nagavanga and all, so which will be dealing in the later context. So, Samanya Shodhana, Adi Vyadi Vinashartam, Prayogartham Rasesu cha, Samanyam Shodhanam Shastam, Rasatantra Visharadaihi. So, where it says, Adi Vyadi Vinashartham, to remove the blemishes and to make the Parada fit for Vyadi Vinashartham. So you have to go for the Samanya Shodhana as said by Rasatantra Visharadihi, the Acharyas who are expertised in the Rasatantra or Rasashastra. They have claimed that Samanya Shodhana has to be done for imbibing the Vyadiharana property of the Parada. So he also says that this can be done for Aushadhi Nirmanartha also. To prepare any sort of the medicine, Samanya Shodhana is very, very important. So what are the prerequisites when Shodhana should be done? Where he says, Sudine Suva Nakshatre Swishtadevam cha Shankaram Bhairavam Chapi Sampujyam Rasa Karmam Samacharayat. When you are going for the Rasa Shodhana, you have to select the Shubhadina. So auspicious day you have to select, auspicious Nakshatra, the stars, Swa Ishtadevam. So you have to pray the Ishtadevata or Shankara. So Rudra is the inevitable part in Shastra. Vinashambho prasadeneva naiva sityanti kadachana, he says. Without the blessings of Lord Shankara or Rudra, we can't attain anything in the Rasa Shastra. So Bhairavam chapi sampujyam rasa karmam samajaya. So by praying or worshipping the Lord Rudra, you have to start this rasa karma, not to the Shodhana procedure. So we have many different methods in the classics regarding the Shodhana. So this is a very famous quotation in pertaining to the Rasa Shodhana. So this is from Rasatarangini. Raseshwaram samasudha rajasam mardayetrayam tato dvigunam vastrantagalitam khalvake nyasit rasonam nistusham tulyam tadhardam lavanam haret tatkalke mardayet sutam yavadayati krishnatam krishnakalpam parityajya tata prakshalya yukitaha evam ekena varena rasendram shuddhimapnuyat. So where he says the process of Shodhana which mitigates all the types of the doshas. So where he explains the first method like Raseshwaram. Raseshwaram is the Parada. So Parada should be taken in a clean Khalva Yantra and it should be grounded well, and to this we are going to add Samasudha Rajasam. So Rajaha is the fine powder. You are going to add fine powder of Samasudha. So Sudha is the lime powder or the limestone powder you are going to add and then triturate it continuously for 3 days. Mardayat Trayam. And by the end of the trituration, the Parada partially disappears into the lime powder into the globular form. Later on, the visible Parada is tactfully collected back from the mixture. It is washed with the warm water and kept separately for the processing. So, where it says Vastrantam Galitam Khalvakinnesit, you have to take the Parada one part and equal quantity of the Sudha Rajaha, the powder of limestone should be taken and Mardana should be done for 3 days, and double folded cloth should be taken and this Sudha Churna mixed with the Parada should be filtered and the filtrate should be kept or it should be taken in the Khalva Yantra, and whatever Parada which is there in the globular form in the Sudha Churna, it should be washed with the warm water so that Parada settles down and you can filter it again. And Rasonam Nistusham Tulyam. So dehusked Rasona should be taken and then Tadardham Lavanam Haret. So where he says, now take all the collected mercury in the Khalva Yantra and add equal quantity of the dehusked Lashuna and half quantity of Saindhava Lavana. The process of trituration is carried out until the mixture turns to complete black in color. Tatkalke mardaye sutam yavadayati krishnatam. So this black mixture is taken and washed carefully with the warm water and the Parada should be taken out. Evam ekena varenam By doing this for a one time, Rasendram Shuddhim Apnuyat. The Parada gets cured. So you may think why Rasona, why Lavana should be used here. So again, this Rasona or Lashuna contains sulfur, and sulfur is acting as a chelating agent for the Parada induced disorders. So this Parada is having a great affinity towards the sulfahydryl groups. To satisfy it with the sulfahydryl groups, we are going for the Mardana with Rasona here. And why Lavana? Actually, in some of the classics, it is given that the Parada is Shadrasatmaka and the Rasona is Lavana Varjita Pancharasatmaka Dravyas. When you are adding this Lavana to this Rasona, it becomes the Shadrasatmaka. Hence, the Shadrasatmaka Parada is triturated with Shadrasatmaka Dravyas. So that is the main reason why the Lavana and the Lashuna are used for Shodhana. So this is the first method regarding the Shodhana. Parada is taken in Khalva Yantra, equal quantity of Sudha Jona. You have to ground it or triturate for 3 days, filter it through the double layer throat, and then dehusked garlic or Saindhava, half part of Parada should be taken and it should be grinded till it becomes black, and the black part of the mixture should be washed carefully to avoid the loss of the Parada. So we are going to discuss regarding this different sort of the gatis. So Jalagati, Dhumagati, Malagati, Hamsagati, Jivagati. There are different types of the gatis where you can lose the Parada while doing the procedures. Hence, to avoid the loss of Parada, you should do the Shodhana Tato Prakshalyuktita. You should wash this black part or the black mixture carefully, he says. So then Parada is to be collected. So by doing this, you can do the Shodhana of Parada, and this is widely accepted, and almost it is the best method to do the Shodhana, and this is carried in all the pharmacies by this procedure itself. So a different method of Shodhana you can get in Ayurved Prakash. Ekena Lashunena Shuddho Bhavati Paradaha Pishto Lavana Samyukto Masekam Tapta Kalvake. I have bolded this Masaikam because in some of the references you get that Saptaikam Tapta Kalvake. So one Saptaha Mardana should be done, but it is practically not possible. You have to go for the Parada trituration for one Masa itself. So Ekena Lashunena Shuddho Bhavati Paradaha. You have to take garlic plus the lavana and you have to ground it or triturate it along with the parada for 30 days in Tapta Khalva Yantra. And by doing this, you are going to wash the mixture, and this is how the Parada Shodhana is taken place here. So you have the third procedure. So the reference is from the Rasatarangini. Kumarika Chitraka Raktasarshapaihi Kritaihi Kashayar Brihati Vimshritaihi Falatrikenapi Vimardito Raso Dinatriyam Saptamalai Vimurchate, he says. So appropriate quantity of the mercury is taken in clean Khalva Yantra. It is added with Grita Kumari, Chitra Molak and Rakta Sarshapa in the quantity of 1/16th part of Parada, and this mixture is triturated along with Brahati Kwata and Trifala Kwata for Dinatriyam for 3 days. Later on, this mixture is carefully washed with the water to obtain the mercury which is free from or which is derived from the Saptamalas. So this is a different sort of the Shodhana procedure explained in Rasatarangini. So the next method is Nagavalli Dalaya Rasais Tatham Chardraka Rajay Rasaha Ksharatryuteshapi Rasarajam Vimardayet Tatastebya Pratakritva Saptadosha Viruddham Muktafala Samakaram Rasarajam Prayodayet. Where he says, this also is shloka from the Rasaratna Samuchaya or Rasatarangini, where he explains the appropriate quantity or prescribed quantity of the mercury should be taken in clean Khalva Yantra, and it is added with Nagavalli Swarasa. So Tambula, what you are, the betel leaf, what you are achieving. So that betel leaf Swarasa or Nagavalli Swarasa should be taken. Ardraka Swarasa. So the Swarasa of ginger should be taken. To it, the Sarjakshara, Yavakshara and Tankana should be added in 1/16th part. So Kshaраtraya already you have studied in Paribhasha Prakarana. Sarjakshara Yavaksharam Ksharadvayam Udaratam Saubhagyena Samayuktam Ksharatrik Udaratam. So Kshaратрaya again you have Sarjakshara Yavakshara and the Tankana, and this mixture is triturated for 3 days. Later on, this mixture is carefully washed with the water or kanji to obtain pure mercury, and this mercury will be having the Mukta Phala Samakaraha. It will be having the luster of the pearl, and it will be free from all the Sapta Kanchuka doshas, Sapta Dosha Vivartitam. So you have studied regarding the Sapta Kanchuka doshas in the last session. So to get the Parada devoid of this Sapta Kanchuka doshas, you have to undergo this particular procedure. So in the flowchart I have given, so later on you can refer this. Next, you have a different Shodhana procedure explained again Rasatarangini. Vimarjya Sudaya Saptadinam Doma Nisheshtakaihi Tridinam Mardayet Sutam Kanjike Kshalayet Tataha Vastram Chaturgunam Krutva Sutam Nisarayet Tataha Sapta Kanchuko Nirmukto Jayate Nirmalo Rasaha says. So appropriate or the prescribed quantity of parada should be taken in clean Khalva Yantra, and to this mixture you are going to add Sama Sudha Churnam. Vimarjam Sudaya Saptadinam. So where it says you have to triturate this mixture of Sudhachurna and Parada for 7 days, and what happens is this mercury is collected again from the and taken in Khalva Yantra, and it is added with Grahadhomam, the soot which is found in the home, and then Haridra Churnam, then Ishtika Churnam, and which are in the quantity of 1/16th part, and this mixture is triturated for 3 days. Now the mixture is taken and it is washed carefully with the kanji. Kanjike Kshalayet Tataha Vastram Chaturgunam Krutvam. Then he says, and this particular mixture is filtered with 4-folded cloth to obtain the pure mercury, and this mercury will be free from the Sapta Kanchuka doshaha. Sapta Kanchuka Nirmukto Jayate Nirmalo Rasaha. Again, this is a different sort of the procedure adopted for Rasa Shodhana. Then you have the different procedures in the Vishesha Shodhana of Parada. So the special purification of Parada is done to purify the doshas of the mercury in particular. Samanya Shodhana is the common procedure which we are adopting to remove the blemishes, but to remove the Vanga dosha, to remove the Naga dosha, to remove the Asayagni dosha, Acharya have explained a specific sort of the Shodhanas which are elicited under this Vishesha Shodhana. So if you want to remove the Naga dosha from the Parada, Acharya says, Dumeshtika Hatta Vilasinam Sonirstu Churni Parimardhya Sutam Prakshalaye Damla Jalena Samyak Tato Raso Vimunchati Naga dosham. For making the Parada free from Naga doshas, particular or the appropriate quantity of the mercury is taken in the clean Khalva Yantra, and it added with Dhumeshtika. Dhumaha is Grahadhuma, the soot, and Ishtika Churna. Then Hatta Vilasini is your Haridra, and so Unaistu Churnehi. Una is it is the wool of the sheep. So the wool of the sheep has to be cut into fine form, and all should be mixed and triturated well with Gratakumari Swarasa. So you have to add this Gratakumari Swarasa and triturate for the 1 day. Later on, the mixture is washed careful with the Prakshalayet Amla Jalena Samyak. So Amla Jala you can either take the kanji. So you have to wash this mixture with the kanji, and you will get the parada which is devoid of the Naga dosha. So already I have said regarding this yogika doshas, Naga and Vanga. So many the sellers of the Parada will mix Naga and Vanga to this Parada to get a high commercial value by investing a low amount. So to get this Parada free from Naga dosha, you have to add the Parada along with the Duma, that is Graha Duma, Ishtika Churna, Hatta Vilasini, that is Haridra, Punaha, that is the finely cut wool of a sheep, and then you have to triturate with the Grita Kumari Swarasa, and later on it is washed with the Amla Jala or Kanji, and it is to be filtered and it should be washed with the warm water to beget the mercury, and whatever the parada you are getting, it will be free from the Naga dosha. So this is the important procedure and simple procedure which you can follow at the pharmacy level or at your home, so you can go for the Parada Shodhana, that too the Vishesha Shodhana of the Naga dosha. Then Vanga dosha Nivaranartha, he says the different shloka. So Mugekshana Ankola Nishotta Churnaihi Suto Jahati Hatu Vanga dosham. For Vishesha Shodhana of the Vanga dosha, prescribed quantity of the mercury is taken in a clean Kalva Yantra, added with the Indrayava Churna, Ankola and Haridra Churna in 1/16th part. The mixture is added with equal quantity or the required quantity of the Grita Kumari Swarasa and triturated for 1 day. Later on, the mixture is carefully washed with the kanji to obtain the mercury or the parada which is free from the Vanga dosha. Then next, to remove the parada Agni dosha, Acharya says, Chitro Agni dosha Nihanti Shigram. So, whatever dravyas Acharyas have explained in particular Shodhana, these are the Bhavana dravyas. So, again, the Bhavana should be given along with the Parada. For Vishesha Shodhana of Agni dosha, appropriate quantity of mercury is taken in Khalva Yantra. It is added with Chitraka Mula Churna in the quantity of 1/16th part. So again, the Bhavana should be given and then it should be cleaned with or it is be washed with the warm water to remove or to make the Parada free from Agni dosha. Next, if you want to make the Parada free from Mala dosha, Acharya explains, Dosham Malottam Khalu Raja Vrikshaha. So Raja Vriksha is your Aragvada, Shampakaha, Chaturangula, Aryavataha, Raja Vrikshaha, Kritamala Suvarnakaha. You study in Dravya Guna, so these are the different synonyms of Aragvada, where he says, for Visheshodhana of the Maladoshas, appropriate quantity of the mercury should be taken in Khalva Yantra and added with Aragvada Churna in the quantity of 1/16th part, and it should be triturated. So it should be triturated with the Grita Kumari Swarasa and later on it should be washed with the warm water. So this helps to make the mercury divide of the Maladoshas. And then Chapalyahari Khalu Krishna Dhurtoho. Dhurta is Datura metal. Acharya says, for Vishesha Shodhana of Chapalya dosha, appropriate quantity of Parada is taken and then it should be added with 1/16th part of Krishna Dhatura Panchanga or Bija Churna. Anything you can take, either you can take Panchanga of Krishna Dhatura or you can take the Bija Churna of Krishna Dhatura. Again in Dhatura you have Dhatura Alba and Dhatura metal. Alba is the Shweta Dhatura, but you have to take the Krishna Dhatura here. And where it says Vishapahantri Trifada Prashastaha. So I have splitted this shloka rather than it's a single shloka, but it is very easy to remember when we are splitting the shlokas. Vishapahantri Trifada Prashastaha, where it says, to make the Parada divide of the Vishadoshas, appropriate quantity of the mercury is taken, a clean Khalva Yantra, and Trifada Churna is added in the quantity of 1/16th part. Again it is to be grounded with the Grita Kumari Swarasa and it should be done Prakshalana with the Sukoshna Jala or warm water. So these are the different types for the Vishadosha Harana of the Parada. Next, you have Giri Doshaha. Dosham Gire Prayushana Mashu Hanyat, he says. So, for the Vishesha Shodhana, to remove the Giri doshas or Girija doshas, the prescribed quantity of mercury is to be taken and added with Trikatu Churna. So, Trikatu Churna should be taken in 1/16th part and Bhavana of the Grita Kumari Swara should be given, and later on Praksharana should be done either with the Kanji or Ushna Jala to make the Parada free from Girija doshas. Then you have the Vanni Sayagni dosha or Agni Sayagni dosha. To remove the Agni Saya doshas, you have to do the preparation of Parada with Trikantakaha, Gokshura. So, to remove the Vanni dosha, appropriate quantity of the mercury is taken in a clean Kalva yantra, added with Gokshura Churna in 1/16th part, and later on Bhavana of the Grita Kumari Swarasa should be given for 1 day, and later on the mixture is carefully washed with Kanji to obtain the Parada free from the Vanhi doshas. So these are some of the references for the general preparation or the purifications of the Parada. So Churnam Kalamcham Pramitam tu Sutat Sakanyakam Bhavita Bechajanam Vimardayet Khalvagatam Denekam Prakshale Chapi Tato Amlato Yehi Rityanaya Shuritam Isha Samnya Satyam Bhavet Kanchuka Doshahinaha Ittam Vishuddham Khalasutta Niyojayet Vaidya Varo Raseshu, he says. So Rasataranginikara says, by using the particular above mentioned dravyas, you can make the Parada divide of all the Sapta Kanchuka doshas, and you can use for the Rasa karmas or for the Aushadhi karmas. So this is total in regards to the Vishesha Shodhana of Parada. So I have just made it into a tabular form. So Vishadosha Haranartha Trifala Mardana for 1 day and Prakshalana with Kanji, Vanni. The procedures remain the same, only the dravyas changes. So Trifala is Vishahara, Tridosha Shamaka, hence it is used to remove the Vishadoshas. Chitraka is Agni Deepaka, so Vanni to remove the Vanni dosha. Aragvada, it is Virechaka, hence it is somewhere related to the Mala, hence it removes the Mala doshas. Naga doshas, to remove the Naga doshas, you have to triturate Parada with Bhuma, Grahaduma, Ishtika, Haridra, and Unaha, that is burnt wool. And Vanga dosha Nivaranartha, you have to use Haridra, Ankola, and Indravaroni. So these are the procedure followed will be the same, only the dravyas changes. For Trikatu, you have to, for removing the Giri doshas, you have to use Trikatu Churna. For Asayagni doshas, you have to use the Brihat Gokshura Churna. And then to remove the Chapalyata dosha, you should use Krishna Datura Bija and Grita Kumari Bhavana. These are the tabular form of the Vishesha Shodhanas. So to conclude or to sum up all, we can say that Shodhanam Doshaharanam Samskarasya Balatejaso Abhivardhanam. So you can land in a puzzle that whether Shodhana and Samskara are of same type or not. So Shodhana procedure can be imbibed inside the Samskara. So Shodhanam Dosharanam. Shodhana is only meant for removing the blemishes, whereas the Samskara Bala Tejaso Abhivardhanam, to increase the Bala and to increase the Teja in that particular Dravya, you have to administer the Samskaras. So Samskaro Hinama Gunantaradhana Muchate, to increase the Bala and Varna, to increase the Teja of that particular Dravya, Samskaras has to be adopted. So to conclude this session, Parada is the most important material in the Shastra and is highly toxic, consisting of the many doshas. So you have the 12 doshas, the Naisargika doshas, Yaugika doshas, and Auparika doshas. So again you have the Vishavani Mala dosha, which causes Marana, Murcha, and Santapa. And then next you have the Naga and Vanga doshas, Jadya Atmana Kushtado. So it causes Jadata, Atmana, and Kushta, where you have the different Kanchuka doshas. So Bhumija, Varija, Girija. So you have studied regarding this, where you have Parpati, Patini, Bhedi. So Dravi, Andakari, then Dwangshi. So these are different doshas, Kanchuka doshas, which creates a different sort of the diseases inside the bodies when it is consumed in a impure form. Parpati, the skin gets chapped. Patini, Bhedi. So you have the Malabhedana here. Andakari, which causes blindness. So Dravakari, which causes the Dhatu Dravana. So these are some of the lakshanas which are seen by consuming the dosha yukta paradas. So parada, if it is devoid of all the doshas, it can be used as a nectar. Otherwise, it can prove fatal for a person. So to prepare the rasaushadhis, proper shodhana of the mercury is essential as it removes the doshas. So to get the maximum benefits of the parada in therapeutic procedures. So shodhana of the parada is essential, and shodhana can be done only after having a detailed knowledge of it. So this presentation was regarding only single procedures to remove the doshas. So if you are using the different methods when you are going through the different rasagranthas, you can find n number of the references for the shodhana. But I have selected only the practical oriented shlokas, the procedures which you can perform even at the small scale also. Hence, uh, you can use this shodhana procedures to make parada divide of the doshas, and you can have the rasasiddhis just by having the multiple or a multidimensional chikitsa aspect. You can have a siddhi over this rasashastra by performing the different procedures which I have elicited in this particular session. So with this, I'll complete my presentation. So thank you one and all.